How to fix Facebook Lite, no internet connection on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Lite, no internet connection on Android phone. First, it's just a glitch. Just click settings and then click apps and now apps again, and here just type here Lite and click on it. And first check this one here, data usage. Now just enable all of those here and then go back to storage, clear cache, and then click for stop here. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just click manage storage and clear all of those here. Click clear. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.